Hi guys, welcome to Watkins Way. It's early in the morning. I've been up for about a half an hour. Today we're going to make country biscuits from scratch. Here's going to be our ingredients. We're going to use 2 cups of flour. We're going to use a tablespoon of baking soda and about a quart or about a cup and a fourth of milk. And we're going to not use butter. A lot of people use butter when they make biscuits. I'm using Crisco. This is my mom's recipe. Her sisters made it, and all of my cousins, the girls, they said use Crisco. So we're going to do that today. So let's get busy. We're going to put our flour in. We're going to add our milk. And remember, it's a cup, about a cup and a fourth. And we're going to add our Crisco, our baking soda, tablespoon of baking soda. And I think really the secret to biscuits is once we get this mixed up, we're going to put it on the board here and just work it a little bit. You don't want to overwork the dough, because if you do, they tend to get real smooth and not flaky, and they come out, they kind of look like a cookie. And we don't want that. We want the biscuits to be real flaky. And so we're just going to mix this up, and then we're going to dump it on our cutting board. All right, looks like our biscuit dough is coming together pretty good. We're getting ready to move it to the board. Let's put it over here. I put a little flour on the cutting board. So what you want to do, you don't need a rolling pin. You don't want to overwork the dough, because if you do, it won't be flaky. So we're just going to fold this over like this and just press it down. Like I said, no rolling pin is needed. Then we're just going to fold it over again. I usually do this about 3 times, and then at the 3rd time, when I get ready to cut them, I want them about 3/4 of an inch thick. So this is our 3rd time. Press this out just a little bit more. All right, get rid of this. I got my cookie sheet. I sprayed my cookie sheet a little bit just so they don't stick. And what I want to do is go straight down. Don't want to twist them. And just get my out of there. All right, there's the first one. And we're gonna do our second one. All right, so let's finish up our biscuit number 6. And like I said, don't twist this, just push it straight down. Try to get your finger underneath, and then you can just kind of tap it where it comes out. Put them about 1/4 of an inch apart. And then here's what we do. I want to get 8 biscuits out of that. So we just take our dough again. Probably gonna get a little flour on it. And we don't have to fold this over. We've already did that. So we're just gonna press it out to about 3/4 of an inch. That should work. And I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna pull this apart so I can get it out here without screwing it up. And there's biscuit number 7. And we could probably get 10 biscuits out of this, but today I'm only gonna do 8. I don't care about the leftover dough. All right, now we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. So stay with me. All right, it's been about 25 minutes. Our biscuits have been in there for 25 minutes at 400 degrees. So let's check them out and see if they're any good. It's my Southern biscuits made from scratch. So, all right, boys and girls, let's take a look at it. Now they look pretty good. They look good. All right. These are country biscuits. It's my mom's recipe from Kentucky. They're supposed to be flaky. Remember when I was folding those over, I said fold it over like 3 times. Don't overwork the dough. Leave it, when you fold it over, get a little bit of air in there, and that's why you get a biscuit that's flaky like this. So let's just open this up. And what I like to do is I use butter on everything. So let's just add a little butter in here. I asked my daughter to get me a bottle of Pappy Van Winkle bourbon. Well, she sort of did. She got me a bottle of it. She got me a bottle of Pappy Van Winkle maple syrup. So anyway, I put a little maple syrup on here. All right, so let's try this. See how this works. It should be good. Oh yeah, nice and flaky and soft. Gotta make these 4 ingredients. Prep time's about 5 minutes. In the oven for 25 at 400 degrees. So good. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Take care, see you later.